preparation for the solar panel exclusion kit. You gotta first clean everything off. This will be easy install with the right equipment. This is the screen. Got pre-cut. Ready to go down. These clamps are what actually holds it on to their solar panels. This part here hooks to the panel, and then we got these washers here that slide and lock it into place. That way you have no glue. You got professional install. It's not going to come loose, and you're not attaching anything to the solar panels or the roof. Some companies want to put caulking, silicone all over the roof. This is a better way of doing it. More professional look, and it will last a lot longer. So here's the kit. So we got